If you'd like to embed your own videos, the best approach would be to upload the videos onto a video hosting website like YouTube or Vimeo, then embedding the video from those sites. There are two ways to embed video. The first method is to copy the video URL and paste it into WordPress. For this example, I'm going to embed a video from YouTube. Go to YouTube and copy the video URL. Create a new post by hovering over Posts and then Add New. Enter a title you'd like, then paste the URL into the editor. As soon as you paste the video URL, WordPress will start the embedding process. When finished, you'll be able to see a preview of the video. Toggle the post format to video. Click Publish and we'll view our post. As you can see, WordPress has embedded the video nicely into our content. Vimeo works the same way. Go back to the editor, copy the video URL, and paste it into the editor. Update and view the post. Both videos are now properly embedded. WordPress supports embedding from plenty of sites. To learn more about embeds, go to codex.wordpress.org/embeds. The second method of embedding video is to do it manually. If you prefer more control over your embeds, or if the first method isn't working, you can use this method. To manually embed on YouTube, click on Share and switch to the Embed tab. Choose a size, check or uncheck these options, then copy the code in the text box above. Switch back to WordPress and create a new post or page. Before you paste the code into WordPress, we need to switch the editor to text mode. This is because we are pasting code. If we paste code in visual mode, WordPress will not render the code properly and only text will show up. Let me show you what I mean. We'll go ahead and preview the post. As you can see, our post is only showing the code in text form. Go back to the editor and delete the code. Switch to text mode and paste the code. Enter a title for your post or page. Publish and view the post. The code now renders properly and our video is properly embedded. To manually embed Vimeo, click on the Share button on Vimeo, then copy the code from the embed box. Go back to WordPress and paste the code into the editor. Remember to switch your editor to text mode. Update and view the post. The video from Vimeo is now correctly embedded. Remember, you only need to paste the code in text mode when you are using this method of manually embedding a video. The first method of embedding videos is recommended as it's very straightforward and you do not need to tinker with code. WordPress also supports audio embeds. In this example, I'm going to use SoundCloud. Same as before, copy the audio URL, then paste it into your content. Toggle the post format to audio, click Publish, then View Post. We can see the track has been embedded nicely. Again, if auto embeds doesn't work, or if you want to control the embed parameters, we can manually embed. Go back to SoundCloud and click on Share. Toggle to the Embed tab. Here you can configure embedding options. You can choose between different sizes and additional options such as color and autoplay. When you're happy with the settings, copy the embed code. Go back to WordPress, toggle to text mode, then paste the code. Update and view the post. The embed is working nicely. If you prefer, you can also upload your own audio files and make a playlist. Let's create a new page called My Travel Playlist. If you'll recall, we can quickly create a new page by hovering over New on the Quick Access toolbar, then click Page. Enter a title, enter some content, and we'll nest this page under the About Me page. To upload audio files, you can drag and drop files into the editor, or you can upload files using the uploader. When the files have finished uploading, click on Create Audio Playlist, and then click on Create a new playlist. Just like galleries, we can rearrange or reverse the display order of these files. You can enter a caption for these tracks, and under the playlist settings, you can choose to display the track list, show the artist name, and show images. When you're happy with all settings, click Insert Audio Playlist. We now have an audio player embedded into our page. We'll publish and view the page. You can now play these tracks by clicking on the play button or clicking on the individual tracks. Hovering over About Me on the top will also show the playlist page has been nested correctly. You can also use this method to create video playlists. However, video files are much larger, and depending on your web hosting, you may run into problems with bandwidth and storage, so the better approach would be to embed from a video host like demonstrated earlier. One thing to note is when you are pasting URLs, make sure to paste each URL on its own line. So if you wanted to embed two videos, don't have the URLs next to each other.